Basic Math, Chapter 10, Section 8, Multiplying Decimals by 10, 100, 1000. You can use what you know to learn a shortcut for multiplying decimals by 10, 100, or by 1000. 71,000 times 10 is 710,000. 71,000 times 100 is equal to 7 and 100 thousandths. And if you multiply 71 thousandths times 1,000, the product is 71. Now look at this. 71 thousandths times 10 has a 10 with 1 0. So we're going to move the decimal one place to the right. It was to the left of the 0. One place to the right puts it to the right of the 0. So the product is 71 hundredths instead of 71 thousandths, where we started. Now with 2 zeros, move the decimal 2 places to the right. So it goes to the right of the 0, to the right of the 7. So the product is 7 and 1/10. And maybe we can see the pattern. 1000 has 3 zeros. So we'll move the decimal place to the right 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now the decimal is all the way to the right of the digits, and it just reads as 71. To multiply by 10, by 100, or by 1000, move the decimal point to the right. Write in zeros if needed. For example, multiply 32 and 5/10 times 1000. Well, 1000 has 3 zeros. That's step 1, is count those zeros. Step 2 is move the decimal point. Write zeros if you need to. So we've got 3, 2. The decimal started there and goes over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. They added 2 zeros as they moved to the right, so the product is 32,500. Let's practice. 2/10 times 10. 10 has 1 0, so we'll move 1 time. And so now the new number is 2. Number 2 has 35 hundredths times 10. 10 has 1 0, so we'll move the decimal once to the right, and now the new number is 3 and 5/10. So we have, for number 3, 5 hundredths times 10. If we move the decimal place 1 space to the right, now the new decimal is 5/10 instead of 5 hundredths. Number 4 has 2 and 97 hundredths times 100. 100 has 2 zeros, so we move the decimal to the right 2 times. And so the new number is 297. The decimal could go to the right of the 7, but you don't need to write the decimal for a whole number that has no decimal numbers. It's just 297 is just written as 297. Let's look at number 12. 463 times 100. So 463 is a whole number. And if we wanted to move the decimal to the right 2 times, we would start from the 3 and go 1, 2, add 2 zeros, and so the answer is 46,300. There's more practice for you in your workbook for Chapter 10, Section 8. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.